Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? How's your summer going? My summer's been good. I'm here with Oldies but Goodies at Gen X Toons ATC card. And this one y'all gonna know. I know you're all gonna know this because there's a movie out, I think right now, of Ghostbusters! So, this is the cartoon version. So what I did is, I found this cool looking pattern paper that was kind of manly. And I got the characters. And then I got Ghostbusters, and I got that up a little bit so it's above a little bit. And this is week June 12th, Ghostbusters. And there, can't remember the character's name right off the top. I can see their faces, and they're actually human form, but I can't remember. Dan something, I remember that one. And I think there's a Belushi in this too, but I can't remember for sure. But there we go. And I might be thinking of the wrong movie. But this week is Ghostbusters. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.